Hey, 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 it's Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. You can call me Pajama Grandma. Not in my pajamas today. Today is day 52 of our Supersize Business Challenge. We are going to do the third part of the summaries of all the strategies that we've been reviewing over about the last 30 days. Step-by-step plans of what some super successful award-winning business owners would do if they lost everything and had to start over from scratch. What would they do the first 30 days of their recovery, days 1 through day 30, step by step, day by day? What would they do? And as part of going through all those 30 plans, which are available, by the way, at 30 Day Supersize Challenge, you can get that written documents as well as the summary videos, but you can get their step-by-step written plans for free there. So go there and check it out. I am doing now a summary of the key messages, the key lessons learned across all of those strategies. Today I want to talk about 3 main areas. And not all, this isn't all of them. I've done 2 days prior to this, but I want to kind of hone in on a couple of key points, 3 main points that I'm hoping you all got out of all 30 strategies. Almost every single strategy did mention these 3 things. And there were actually about 5 or 10 things that every strategy had in common. And I'm going to review those tomorrow and make sure that you didn't miss a single one of them. They're that important. But today I want to talk about the importance of working for free, getting results for somebody for free in order to get a case study or a testimonial and to prove that you can do what it is that you say that you can do. You got to get results for somebody. If you don't have paying clients that you're getting results for right now, then you need to go out, find your ideal customer, your ideal client, and do it, what it is that you do for them for free, in exchange for a testimonial, in exchange for a case study. Get them some result that you can use to share with other people in order to attract them to you. That's number 1. Number 2, give value. Make sure you're giving away your best stuff and that you're giving value to the people that you want to serve. If you don't want to serve people, then I'm not the right person for you to be listening to with respect to growing and supersizing your business. You have to add value. Add value by participating in groups, sharing your voice on Facebook Lives or videos or audio podcasts. Share your knowledge and information freely, and the people that want to work with you will be attracted to you naturally. Do not a podcast, do a blog. If you love to write articles, write Facebook posts, write other social media posts. Get your voice, get your message, get your knowledge out there so other people can benefit from what it is that you have to offer. And the other thing I want to remind you of and tell you is you got to get publishing. You need to go live or blog or do a podcast absolutely every single day. I know it's hard. It's really hard. But I started publishing in earnest this year, and I did a little bit last year. And I sucked. I hated every minute of it. I did some crazy things to make myself do it. I mean, I used talking animals and talking prompts. And I had a puppet, a beaver puppet that I named Betsy after my little sister. Shh, don't tell her. And all kinds of antics. I did one in the bathtub. I did one in a mask. I did them in face masks. I did whatever it took to challenge myself and prove to myself that doing a Facebook Live wasn't going to kill me. Do I still stagger and stutter over my tongue? Absolutely, but I'm getting better and better. I'm getting better at sharing my message with you, and more people are being attracted to me because I am my weird-ass self, and I am sharing my message in my own unique way. So those are just 3 things I wanted to touch on again today. Make sure you're adding value. Get your message out there every day, and work for free if you have to, but get results for somebody so that you have something to share. That is it for today's Supersize Business Challenge. We'll be back tomorrow with the 10 things that all these plans had in common that I want to make sure that you're incorporating into your plan for supersizing your business. Oh, and by the way, one of those is that you do have a plan for supersizing your business. You're not just dragging out by the seat of your pants, trying to wing it and figure things out, and then wonder why you're frustrated and ornery and want to quit every other day. So stay tuned for that tomorrow. And pretty soon we're coming up on the contest. We're having our own contest. All right. Pajama Grandma out. I will catch you tomorrow on tomorrow's episode.